Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Logitech software hub not opening. Alright guys, so as you can see, I am in my task manager now. I will just show you what to do. So even without having this app installed, it's very easy for me to demonstrate what to do. So in your task manager, as you can see, you have the first tab where you see processes. So basically what you need to do, you need to search for anything that says G Hub in here. Just find it by the letter. So the first letter is going to be G. So find all the processes that will be connected to the G Hub. For example, as you can see, we have, for example, C, right? Letter C, and all the services that are named under C. It's alphabetically named and sorted. You just need to find G Hub, and there will be multiple services, and you just need to click on them and press on End Task on every single one of them. Just make sure that down there in the tray, I'm not going to show that for privacy purposes, in the tray, in your system Windows tray, you do not have G Hub running to avoid issues. Also, my friends, right here in the task manager, you can also try fixing this as well. So just navigate once again down there where you're going to have the G button, and you just need to find any service that corresponds to G Hub and basically restart it, right? So for example, let us find this app info, right? So right click and just press on restart. Also, if you want to do this in a bit different way, you can just stop it and then start it again. This should also help fixing your issues. Right, and after that, of course, having this done, the last thing you can try using and doing is you go to your control panel on Windows, where you have all of your apps installed, and just uninstall G Hub altogether, and then go back to that page, download the application once again, and reinstall it. This should help fix your issues with this app not opening. Guys, thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Hopefully these tips help you out. See you in the next one.